Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Let's talk about Lime CRM, a user-friendly, customizable platform that helps you manage customer relationships much better. If you're working with sales, support, and marketing, Lime CRM puts everything in one place so your team can work smarter in 2025. Let's go over the main feature, the customer dashboard. You can change the layout to fit your business style. Just adjust the field view tools. This keeps things clean, focused, and help you work faster. Next, 360-degree customer view. Every customer profile shows their past email, call, sales, documents, and support case. This helps your team know everything before they talk to a customer. More info is equal to better support and personal service. Next, sales pipeline. You can see your deals in drag and drop board, track deals by stage, and assign follow up to keep things moving. This helps you to stay top deal and close more sales. Next, support case management. You can handle tickets right inside Lime CRM. You can assign tracks and tasks, progress, and solve problems very fast. It also saves the full history, so every case is very clear. Your customer will get faster and better support every time. Next, integration. Lime CRM works with tools like Outlook, SharePoint, and ERP system. This keeps the data flowing and saves time by avoiding manual work, so your whole team stay in sync. So why choose Lime CRM? It's perfect for small to mid-sized team who want something flexible, easy, and powerful without being too complicated. Lime works across different industries and has a very clean interface, so your whole team will actually use it. They also update often and offer great customer support. So in short, Lime CRM helps you to control your customer data, improve teamwork, and get better results. If you want CRM that fits your workflow and helps you grow in 2025, Lime is a worth to try. That's it for this video. If it helped you, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.